Today we're going to learn about logging into Flipgrid and making a Flipgrid. So first you're going to go into Google Chrome. You are going to type in your username and password. Once you type in both of these, you are going to see an icon that says Flipgrid. So you're going to click on Flipgrid. Once you get on Flipgrid, you can press skip. It's going to sign you in. So you're going to see that there's an activity called favorite sports. So when you click on favorite sports, it says please share your favorite sport and why. So if you go to actions and you want to record a response, so once you click that, the camera will be on. You're going to press this button to record. It will count down. Once you are talking and you say what you got to say about your favorite sport, then you're going to press the pause button. Once you have that, then you're going to press next, and you can hear yourself. And then you're going to put your name, and then the title can be an option, and then this will be the picture that comes up as your Flipgrid. So you can take a selfie, use that, and then you can add a name tag or photo, but we don't need to do that now. And then once you have that, you press submit, and ta-da, there is your Flipgrid.